Are you a social media influencer or a small-scale business owner? Are you panicking because you have lost access to your self-built Facebook page? Hi there, and welcome to Digital Media Run. We are here to help recover your hacked Facebook account, so make sure to stay connected till the end. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Unfortunately, social media hacks have become increasingly common over the past some years. So in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about how to recover Facebook page admin access, or what you should do if your Facebook account gets hacked. The solutions might differ depending upon the situation. If the Facebook page was handled by more than one admin, see if there is any way you can add yourself back as an admin via a friend or colleague that still has their admin access to the page. For this, log into your account, go to Settings, and go to Page Roles. Click on the existing page roles. If anyone has access to the page and is still listed as an admin, ask him or her to assign you a role as an admin under the Assign a New Role section. In case no one has access, nor is an admin to the page, check who the owner is. In many cases, it is a manager account that you created. Therefore, go to business.facebook.com/settings/pages and select your Facebook account to see if you are an admin to any business page. Then, go click on the Add People button and add your Facebook account back to the page as an admin. But if nothing is working, and if you remember any previous activity, like clicking any link or media file from an unknown person, contact Facebook Help. Facebook keeps your data protected for about a month, so they might also be able to help you get it back. The following are URLs that might help in these conditions. First, log into your account and type this URL. We'll link to it below, because it will open a page from where you can promptly get in contact with Facebook support. What if your personal account is also hacked, and that was why your page got hacked? In that case, use the URL facebook.com/hacked. From this screen, follow the instructions and get in contact with the authentic people from the Facebook team to resolve your issue. If you have tried your luck with the above two forms but haven't gotten any response, you can process your query with the copy infringement. For that, jot down the copyright form URL. We'll link to that below too. Facebook takes copyright forms more seriously than other reasons, and it makes it easier to get hold of your page through this form. In our experience, Facebook support has been of great help and better than any other solution. But it is to be remembered that they may ask for a proof of ownership of your business in the form of different documents, so make sure you have scanned your related documents.